Hi friends, in this video we're gonna see how to customize your logo of your grocery store. So let's get started. First, open your website. Then log into your admin panel. Enter your user ID. And password. After that, click Login. After logging into your admin panel, click the three lines below and go to Appearance. In that, click Customize. After that, click on Site Identity. Then click Change Logo. From here, you can select your logo. Your image size must be 250 by 250 pixels. From here, you can select your logo and click on Update. Thank you for watching.